Good morning. I hope you are doing great. So, yeah, Happy New Year. We are on 2025. I hope everyone is safe. We're ready to go back on the market. But I think it's not going to be this week. I think we will be going back actually next week. But just to keep everyone up to date, we are back here. It's Thursday. And yeah, I'm expecting to be active from next week. So tomorrow we can see, not tomorrow, sorry, we can see that we already have unemployment claims. This, I think it will kickstart the market. Already the market is open, by the way, but not really that active. Tomorrow it's manufacturing PMI. So next week, it's where we are going to get our NFPs or all those economic news that we always get, you see. So what we're doing here, or what I'm going to do, is not like to restart my plans and stuff like that. I'm just continuing. So December was not really or for me to change stuff or stuff. No, I'm just continuing. I'm just trying to improve here and there and continue with the work. I'm not starting afresh. I've been like really busy. I started already, so I'm just continuing with the work. So we're not starting from scratch, by the way. So next week we're gonna have a lot. I can see we have service PMI there, FOMC meeting, NFPs, or employment changes. So which means next week it will be as normal. I mean, for those who are trading. So yeah, I think it's way much better for those who don't know. Try to check the economic calendar, especially before you start going up, like start trading. This will help you actually to understand or to know when we are going to expect some crazy or higher volatility in the market, right? So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So this is what we have. I will start with gold. So on gold here, we can see that the market is still on that nice uptrend. The market is on that nice uptrend, but sorry, we can see that the market is actually struggling. If we check nicely, we can see that yes, we're coming from this nice uptrend, but from this area, this highest level there, the market started to struggle to go even higher. And you can see even before that, you can see around December, the market was struggling to break this area. And the last move was this aggressive sell. Now we can see that the market is just moving around our support area. The question is the market going to continue going even higher or not? At the moment, it's not really maybe clear, or I can't say much, but at the moment, what I can say is we are still on that nice uptrend. We know Trump is going to be actually officially nominated, I think around 20th or something like that. Then obviously the dollar will be stronger. That one I think we know. And that I think we'll see gold going lower. And another thing is, as Trump, as I always repeat, Trump actually was vocal about de-escalation, or let's say finding peace between those wars, Ukraine, Russia, and the other ones. And that because gold is moving higher because of those tensions or those geopolitics. If those geopolitics are going to cool off, it means we might start to see gold reversing aggressively. I hope that makes sense. Plus, we know that this year they said they might cut rates twice. So, but we saw that next week we're gonna have FOMC meeting. So, which means they will have to update us. Obviously, they will say something obviously about the rates, whether they're gonna continue with twice, cutting twice, or maybe more, or even less. So that will also control the dollar. And if things are still looking the same, I think we will see an aggressive reversal. You see, so this year, trade with information. You have to have the tools, guys. You have to have the information. You see, so which means yes, we are still on this nice uptrend, but there is a possibility of an aggressive reversal. So I think that one is out of the picture. We have to know about that. If you keep buying like us, I think I sent this last week. Yes, it was a very nice profit there, but we can see that the market is still struggling a little bit. But at the end of the day, we know that we are still on an uptrend, but a reversal is actually on the way. But maybe not this week, but we will have to wait and see, or especially maybe next week, because there is NFP. Next week, there's NFP, guys. So I think that can also change the way we see the market at the moment. So now we are on US30. I'm no longer going to just analyze so many things that I don't really trade, guys. I will focus on the things that I do. Then, yeah, because it's those things that I love to do, like now and then. See, so now we are on US30. US30. On US30, we can easily see that the market was on a very nice uptrend structure. You see that? Those were our resistant areas. But on the bottom side, we can see that the market also gave us a very proper structure that was actually a support area. But that structure is no more. You can see that the market broke out of that support area. So we expect the market to do what? To reverse. And it seems like this might actually continue. But at the moment, if maybe along the way the market reverses, let's say the market breaks the support here, but once the market breaks, let me show you something. Once the market breaks out, let's say we had a nice bullish move. It's quite similar structure. Once the market breaks out, it starts by consolidating here. And we have a structure like that. So it means that there is a chance for the market to bounce back and continue with the previous trend, which was an uptrend structure. So which means for us to act here, yes, we can see that this is a breakout and we expect the market to continue going down. But once we have this, it means now the most important thing is going to be this support and resistance. If the market breaks this support area, this one here, it means this will be a continuation of that sell. If the market breaks this support, so this resistance here, it means the market will be trying to reverse and try to go back on that trend. Because if we check nicely, yes, the market might actually reverse here and there, but it doesn't really mean those companies were performing badly. Not everything was so bad, especially on, in US30. So it was those sell-offs, maybe people, or maybe let's say we had, I think this was interest rates. And already people that were, or investors, they were just actually trying to sell their profit or taking their profits. And once they do that, we see the market selling off. Another thing, it was NVIDIA investigation in China. That was not actually a very good thing. We also saw the market going even lower. Do you see that? But I think that is not a bad story. I think there is a chance for the market to do what? To continue with the trend. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So let's push the next one. Plus, since it's January, there is new investors who are just going to place some new or buy new shares and stuff like that. So which means one way or another, they're going to boost these stocks. You see that? So now we are on Nasdaq. If I can extend this, you can see that it still makes sense, but I think it's going to be fine here. So this is what we're going to do. I mean, this is what we have, sorry. So we can easily see that we have this nice trend, support line. We can see that it's going higher, it's going higher, it's going higher, it's going higher. So which means at the end of the day, this is still on that nice uptrend. Yes, the market might just play games around, but we can see that the market reached this support area. We expect the market to do what? To continue going higher, up. I hope that makes sense. So if we check nicely here, you can see, if we check nicely, you can see that we actually have a very proper structure. So around this area, it's actually a resistance. So which means the market might be creating this wedge structure that we have to wait for the market to break before we jump in. You see that? So we can use maybe double lines. Let's see. This one can be quite close. Let's see that. Something like this. Yeah, something like that. So for now, we can say we have a very proper resistant area there, and the market has been respecting that for several times. So can we buy here? No, we have to wait for the market to break out of the structure before we jump on that buy. Or maybe the market will just consolidate around this level until it decides whether it wants to break this support area, or maybe it wants to break this resistant area. And from there we can say, okay, it's time for the market to do what? To go higher. But for now, let's just wait. We know that we're not far from the support. Actually, we expect to see a very nice reversal there, but we have also another structure on top, which is a resistance. So which means we have to wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit before we jump in. So for now, I think this is enough for today. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Check on my description, guys. I will be adding some new information. But for now, check my Telegram group where I send free stuff. Plus, I sometimes send some updates on the market on that Telegram group. And for those who want to talk to me, there is a WhatsApp link that you can go straight to that. And especially for those who want our signal indicator, guys, it's still 150. The signal indicator is still 150. So talk to me if you want that indicator. So it gives you some proper signals. It doesn't repaint. But for more information, you can just go on my Telegram link there. Then I will talk to you there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.